The single biggest reason creators burn out is the content treadmill, the endless cycle of manual work. But what if you could step off that treadmill for good? What if a silent expert partner did 90% of that heavy lifting for you, turning one big idea into 3 polished videos? This is the exact 4-stage AI stack we use to run this channel. I am going to teach it to you, step by step. An AI stack is not one tool, it's a workflow, a system where specialized AIs work in perfect sequence. Our stack has 4 stages. The first is ideation and scripting, which we call the architect. Next is visual production, the artist, followed by audio and voiceover, the orator. And finally, publishing and optimization, the analyst. This is the complete system. Stage 1 begins with a question. Here, the AI analyzes trending topics related to our channel's core themes. Once a topic is selected, the architect generates a full video script structured for high audience retention. In Stage 2, we feed those visual cues directly to the artist. Our primary tool is VEO. The AI then generates a photorealistic 8-second cinematic clip that perfectly matches the script's instruction. With the visuals in place, Stage 3 creates the voice and soundscape. The orator handles all audio. The script is fed into an AI voice generator to create a consistent, clear, and human-like narration. The AI then analyzes each clip's mood and content to compose a custom score and add sound effects. Finally, Stage 4. The analyst takes the finished video and prepares it for maximum impact. It generates SEO-optimized titles, descriptions, and tags based on a real-time analysis of our niche. It even designs an A/B test thumbnails, predicting which one you're most likely to click on. This 90% automation frees us up for the most critical part, the human 10%. The AI is the ultimate tool, but it doesn't have the vision. That's our job. We provide the core idea. We make the final creative choices, and, most importantly, we press the final button. We are the directors. This system is our blueprint for creating high-quality content sustainably, without the burnout. It's the new model for the serious creator, and we share every part of it here on this channel. To master this blueprint and build your own AI-powered channel, the class is now in session.